Hello guys, we are back with another video, and today we're going to show you what my dad got from Amazon.
Amazon. So go on. What's the problem?
So this is my phone. We did a review of it, and so firstly, it wasn't my fault. Firstly, I may have it's somewhere, but we would have got another one anyway because I had this phone case, the one with the pop socket on the back, and I lost it. But the charger couldn't even go in it without the case on it.
So the case was on its clear case, rubbery case with a pop thing on, and it had where you normally connect the charger bit. It wouldn't push in properly, so you had to force it. So we had to mess around a lot. You've cracked the screen a bit. I don't know if it's the screen underneath, but it looks like the screen underneath. Yeah, you did crack the screen underneath, didn't you? The screen protector here, the glass one's a bit naffed and messed up. So what we're going to try and do is, we've got this thing here, which was about £15. It wasn't cheap anyway.
Okay.
About £15. Yeah, just show them what's on the packaging first. Phone case, focus, quality and innovation.
Shockproof.
Military grade.
Scratch
drop tested. Dirt-proof, shockproof, scratch resistant.
Wow. Tray scratch.
I'll try and put a link in the description for where we got it from. I got it from Amazon anyway. Alright, then go and open it for, Samsung Galaxy, your one. Just careful, just in case.
A02s or something.
A02s, yeah. Don't put it in front of the screen so people can see.
Oh, that looks so scummy.
Okay, so open the packaging.
Okay. Oh. Wow.
So let's see what this says. Full rugged clear bumper case. Features easy on and off. 2-piece insulation. Eye-catching clear case shows off your phone. Scratch resistant clear back and non-slip TPU edge. Raised protective bumpers allow full screen access. Front frame provides maximum screen protection. Responsive TPU buttons are precise and easy to press. Absolute comfort experience. Supporting customization and designed to clear back plate. So it shows you how to do it. Got the instructions here. Bit of information there. If you want to pause, you can read it.
Should I peel it off?
One second. Don't do anything yet. Give the instructions. Yeah? You can pause the video if you want to read the instructions. Yep. So put your fingers at the cutout right bottom corner. Please peel off the back protective film before application. Go on, peel it off. So peeling it off. Come on. Nice.
No.
And then go the other way.
My phone's big.
And then peel this off.
No, it just said back, didn't it? I didn't think you can pull this out.
So it says, put your fingers at the cutout right bottom corner. So where's the right bottom corner of your phone? Be down here, isn't it? So go on, do it. Yep, so go on. Just pull that off there.
Wow.
So that's the back part. Back part cut out for the thing, so we'll get this off. Okay, so it says.
Let me do it.
Go on, you want to pull that off. So that's the back of it.
Hey, why is it doing it smooth?
Come on, and then. Nice. Don't take for 10 years. Come on, people waiting.
Maybe it has to be satisfying.
Not satisfying you take 10 years. People just get tired
There's
of it.
another one.
Pull that off.
Oh my.
Just pull the foam outside so it's clean.
Wait, are we meant to pull this one?
Yeah, of course you calm. And leave that thing off. Come on. Okay, so I assume now. Is that any good?
What? What?
Right, okay. Put the phone together Put the phone together with the front frame case into the back cover.
Okay, put the phone inside.
Do we take the screen off?
Oh, do we?
Yeah, because we need to do it, don't we?
Yeah. Come on.
I'll take it off.
He sticked it on very good, didn't he?
Who did it, your brother?
Yes.
Well, it's not meant to come off, is it?
No.
Maybe you should have done this before.
Let me try.
Yeah, got it, I think got it. Yep.
Oh, that's the best bit when it snaps.
Is it?
Yeah.
I'm sure we're doing the right thing here.
Does it say take the screen protector off?
You don't have a screen protector with it.
Oh, that's very satisfying. Is this glass? Is it glass?
Yep. Got it off. Give it a bit of a clean. You see, that's what he's done to Plum.
Yeah, because everyone said I had a screen protector.
No, but you didn't. No, we
Yeah,
didn't.
but I
Didn't put it. No,
accidentally dropped it.
accidentally dropped it. Yeah, great. Of course.
Accidentally.
That's brilliant, that isn't it? Accidentally. So to put
Wait,
it in,
wait.
it goes in there. Do you want to put it in now?
There's a mark on my old screen. That's funny.
Yeah. I'm not sure we want to be putting too much pressure on the screen.
No, put it now.
So that thing in there. Do you want to push it? Put it in. Do you want to do it?
Yes.
So put it in. Do you want me to do it?
Yeah, you do it.
So I can break it.
Yes.
Are you sure we're not going to put the front bit on first, maybe? Yeah, I think the front bit maybe should go on first. So that's front bit on.
That's very cool.
And then slot the back bit round.
Ooh. Ooh.
So that works pretty good. So we're doing the thingy-majiggies, all the stuff works pretty good. That's all on. It's complete case protection. So this is a side bit, it's quite solid.
Should we drop it?
No, we're not gonna drop anything.
It says it's
Yeah, don't take charge. So everything's
dropping
uncovered and clear. You got clear back. That's the back part there. Yeah.
Yes.
And you got the front part there, and it works pretty good. So let's press these things. Buttons work fine. Yeah, everything's working pretty good.
Yes. See?
Do you wanna do your thing and then see if the
Yeah. It's no. It's down. It's down.
no. Uh-oh.
You logged it for 23 seconds.
Looks like 23 seconds gonna do it silly. I mean, looks pretty good, looks pretty solid.
Let's see.
Is that gonna protect it properly though?
Wow, this is very nice.
Would you like it?
Hold it. You can see the back.
The problem is it's not got a stand.
Yeah.
You get a popper thing.
I don't want it.
You don't want it?
Last time it was so hard. I don't want it to stand anymore. I wanted to take it off.
Okay, right, so the popper thing.
Yes.
Right, okay, so what's your verdict?
Very good.
Very good. Right, let's see how if we can get let's check the thingies.
Up and then down.
You do it.
Okay.
I'll do it. Okay, so we've got this stuff there. We're going to check the volume button.
That's good.
Works good.
Decrease.
Ah,
No, wrong one. It's no. It's down. Yes.
okay, so we're going to check the. God, did I again? Okay, so volume up,
Remember, it's a
volume down, working perfect. So I'm pressing the buttons. Yeah, it's working fine.
Check out the speaker.
The speaker bit.
Yeah, wait.
Put a YouTube thing on. Let's do a YouTube video. Let me check the YouTube video. See. What do you do?
Just wait. I always have to do this. I don't have
Takes ages
YouTube.
when I'm waiting.
I don't have the YouTube app.
Why?
Because we disabled it when we accidentally disabled it when we went on. Let's just do this one.
Grammarly helps you work more efficiently.
That's fine,
which
isn't
makes
it?
accomplishing your work goals easier than ever before. Get full sentence
fine.
rewrite suggestions so
Yeah.
you
Clear.
can say what you mean
I don't turn the
faster.
volume down.
Power-
Done. Yeah. Perfect. Yeah. Go off. On. Yeah. Everything looks good. Yeah. And it's a big space for the charger, so it should be fine. It's not really going to be waterproof or anything like that, but it's going to be good. Hopefully good. And it's got a big rubberized bit all the way round, so it'll protect it.
Is it scratch? Are you sure it's scratch?
No, that's fine. It's fine. It'll protect it. It's fine. If you want to get we could get it just to make sure glass screen protected, but then maybe may interfere too much. We had to take that one off because it's all cracked. But yeah, what do you reckon?
Yes, it's
good.
very nice.
Very nice. There's a back. You can see the back normal, front obviously normal, side bits rubberized, really quite thick and chunky with a grip bit, so it's not slippery. So you hold it, grip it quite good. Right. Okay. Yeah. So should we finish now?
Yep. Please like and subscribe to my channel.